Pachari Yoga International Trust. That is right. This is to certify that this trust is a non-profit, one-man legal entity registered under Societies Registration Act in India. This trust will never seek donations from anybody, whosoever, and for reason whatsoever. This sole mandate holder, Pachari, goes free online with yoga and Bhagavad Gita and the related knowledge in human life. This trust elucidates that Bhagavad Gita had already defined science of anthropology before 3,000 years. The Bhagavad Gita defines the science of death and rebirth through soul energy from one species to another species as follows. Shri Bhagavan Vacha Atha chahayenam nityajatam nityam va manyase mrutam tadapitvam mahabaho nayenam sochitum arhasi. Thus it is narrated in chapter 2, text 26 of Bhagavad Gita, that one should believe physical human body dies and takes rebirth in another animal body or in another human body, as stated today in the science of anthropology. If that is so, then such a person should never worry and keep aloof in performing one's duty. This means that everyone should perform one's duty, even at the cost of death. The words Sochitum Arhasi is important, that such a person is not fit to succumb to worry in not performing his duty. For Pachari Yoga International Trust, thus certified this 26th day of February 2020.
Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is right. Calling your attention for a few minutes. This is to certify that this trust is registered under Societies Registration Act in India. This trust is a non-profitable service provider in yoga and Bhagavad Gita. The sole mandate holder of this trust, Pachari senior fellow valuer in the Institution of Valuers at New Delhi. Pachari is a senior consulting engineer in the Institution of Engineers at Kolkata. Pachari is the qualified senior technologist from the PSG University at Coimbatore. Pachari is also the senior cost analyst from the University of Bombay. This trust endorses that yoga alone can redefine sin, curse, ailment, and the poverty. From bribery, delinquency, influence peddling, nepotism to black wealth and the ultimate death of economy.
Hello, my dear. Be careful about what is happening behind you. Be careful about what is happening around you. And be careful about what is happening before you. Without your knowledge and beyond your sight and perception, something, somewhere, someone is haunting you and your possession. Haunting your family, haunting your children, and you are depressed in discontent, desire and displeasure. Somewhere someone is stamping your ground for fun, and you are excited in fear and favor. Somewhere someone is feasting your body, mind and the soul. Either you are unaware of them or you are aware of them and you are caught unawares. Something is arousing your fear, anger and passion in the nerve, blood and the gland. And you are unable to go back to your earlier state of ideal body. Something unwelcome is happening around you and you are unable to define anxiety and you are curious to the wrong. Overeating for the society, for the company and for the love. Motionless devil's night. My dear, every control is possible in yoga. You can be fit in yoga and you can be fair in yoga to meet the challenges in complacency. Perform yoga from 14 to 40 to be alert in anxiety and distress. Perform yoga from 14 to 40 to meet the fear and favor. Perform yoga from 14 to 40 to subside your false desire, anger and passion.